Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fulfill an order in Shopify. Fulfillment is an important part in Shopify because actually it will help you to track the quantities and it will notify your customer about the updates regarding the orders and all. Okay, so it is very important for you to make the products fulfilled once you receive an order. Okay, so today I'm going to show why you need to mark an order as fulfilled and how to do that. Okay, so before that, what we can do is we can go to the products and see a product. Okay, this is the dummy product what we have created, and you can see that's having available quantity as 10 and on hand quantity as 10. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a order for this product. Okay, so just try to add this one, and I'm going to make the quantity as 2 and just select the customer and create the order. Okay, now I have created the order, and what you can do is like it's not fulfilled. Okay, so go to the products and now check the product and see. You can see that the available quantity is changed to 8 and the committed is 2. That means like it's not like fulfilled, it's like committed. Okay, so what you need to do is once you are done with the order, or once you receive the order from the customer, like they will receive an order confirmation email, but they won't receive any update regarding the order, or they will think that okay, what's happened with the order. So what you can do is you can go to the orders and you can just click on fulfill items. Okay, so this is how you can do that, and you need to add the tracking number or the shipping carrier or whatever is there. Like you can add the shipping carrier detail, the tracking number and the tracking URL and other details, and you can also like just click on the notification and just click on fulfill item. Okay, now you have fulfilled the item, which means like you have shipped the order and you have processed that order completely. So you will be able to see the fulfillment status. So this is how you process or complete processing the order. Okay, so after this one, you can go to the products and just click on the products, and you'll be able to see that it's already done. That means like the committed is changed to 0 and the available quantity is 8 and 8 on hand. Okay, so this is how you will be able to adjust your inventory or track the inventory as well as do the order in a better or the professional way. So hope you understand how to do order fulfillment in Shopify. If you liked the video, please consider subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.